Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of the polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So for example, that might be an ER there, and if it is, we would have to have an ER there. So then we would have to fill in the rest with 3 different letters. What do I think? Is that likely, or is it going to be a D there and there? Of course, it doesn't have to be an E at all. But reduced would fit, so let's try that. It'll give me information even if it's wrong. And the information it's given me is that I'm completely wrong. Oh no. Right, let's go back to square one. If it's an ing ending, that would mean ng is also there. Oh, I was about to say it could be ongoing, but of course then we'd need the same symbol there and there, which we haven't got. So that probably means it's not an ing ending. And it means I have absolutely no idea what it is. Could be a plural. If it's a plural, then we have s's there and there. Could be on or in as the starting point, then that would have to be an n. In or on. On spins. I don't think that's a word. Oh, this is a difficult one. I was so happy to think of reduced, but once you rule out the E, it gets a lot harder. So I'm going to really struggle with this one, I think. What do we think this ending could be? Could be IN or ON. In fact, it could be ION, couldn't it? Something like portion, but not quite. That would probably be a T. This looks so much like portion, but of course that third letter has to be the same as the last letter. Doesn't have to be TI, of course. But I don't know what it's going to be otherwise. It's almost monsoon, but again, these is a different symbol to this, so it can't both be N's. It can almost be tension, but again, not quite. Just do not know. It's really telling me that I should get a hint, but I don't want a hint yet. It's surely got to end with a vowel and a consonant. Oh, I was going to try habitat, but that obviously doesn't quite work either. I suppose it could be an L. Capital, something like that, an ITAL ending. Palatal? Don't think that's a word. No. Again, I didn't think it would be correct, but I thought even if it's wrong, it'll give me some information. That's not a word either, is it? No. That could be a word. Oh, I'm just thinking of Capitan, probably. Sandman? Oh no, not quite, because we can't use a D. What kind of man could we use? Bankman? That's surely not a word. No. Tankman? Oh, none of these are words. Hangman, that's a word. Surely that's allowed. Again, I suspect this won't be correct, but surely it'll give me some information. Oh, what? I've just ruled out another bunch of letters. What on earth is going on? At least we've got the H. It's going to be hotspot, isn't it? That surely has to be correct, and it is. So getting the H really helped, but I can't believe we ruled out the A, the E, and the U, as well as the R and several other common consonants. That was a really tricky one. Very happy to get that in the end. That's the polygonal puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.